So if you're setting up any photo as your wallpaper on your Android, but it looks weirdly or it's just oversized, so here's how to fix it and make it fit for any wallpaper on your Android phone. And watch till the end because I'll give you a little tip. So first of all, open up your gallery, then choose the desired picture. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom and press Set as Wallpaper. So here is a little trick. You can actually pinch it. So you can zoom it or pinch it back. You can move this picture so you will catch a better and desired angle. For example, I want it to be this one. Right? Perfect. Now let's press apply. Choose how you want to apply it. Only the lock screen, home screen are set as both. I'll press set as both. Press don't agree. Well, if you want to use your wallpaper cursor, you can agree in that. And boom, there we are. We have our wallpaper set. And here is a little tip. If you're gonna open up your, if you're having any problems with the gallery method, you can do exactly the same operation through your wallpapers. I'm sorry, through your Google Photos. So you're to tap on your Google Photos, tap on the three dots, then you're to press Set as Wallpaper, and the process is gonna be pretty much the same. Maybe for somebody it will be easier. So just letting you know, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.